I've been using the K18 Pro service on every single client for the last 2 years, and today I'm gonna show you how to add the new K18 Molecular Repair Hair Oil into your K18 Pro service. When a client comes in, split the hair into 4 quadrants and add the K18 Pro Mist liberally within those 4 quadrants. Allow that to sit for 4 minutes before you move on to any other step. Move on to whatever service behind the chair you're providing, whether that be chemical or non-chemical. You're gonna clarify your hair, my favorite being the K18 Detox Shampoo. Towel dry just a little bit to get the excess moisture out, and on damp hair, apply 1 to 3 pumps of the K18 leave-in mask. You're gonna let that sit for 4 minutes to allow the K18 peptide to fully penetrate through the hair. For your damp hair application, you're gonna wanna start by using 1 to 3 drops and apply the bulk of it on your mid-shaft and ends. And then you're gonna take the remaining product and work it all the way up. We apply the hair oil to damp hair because at that point the cuticle is already open because the hair shaft has been swelled, allowing the K18 peptide to drive deeper into the hair, healing it from the inside out. Once my client is completely dried and styled, we're gonna move into the second round of our hair oil application. You're gonna take your 1 to 3 drops. I tend to use 1 to 2. So you'll start from your mid shaft and ends and work all the way up to your roots to smooth down those split ends, eliminate frizz, and add so much shine.